What is your name?
My name is Vinisha Pal.
What is your nationality?
I am Indian.
India's capital name?
New Delhi.
India present Prime Minister name?
Narendra Modi.
Our national flowers name?
Flower.
Our national flowers name?
Lotus.
National fruit? National
Mango.
fruit? Mango. National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Peacock.
National flag colors?
Yellow, sada, sabuj.
National flag color?
Yellow, sada, sabuj. Saffron, white.
স্যাফরন হোয়াইট তারপরে কি